Welcome to a tour of the world's most luxurious and extravagant garage builds. In this video, we will take you inside some of the most incredible automotive sanctuaries ever created, including Jay Leno's famed garage filled with rare collectibles, and the futuristic design of the car vault. From eco-friendly innovations to high-tech smart garages, get ready to explore unique spaces that cater to the ultimate car enthusiast. Whether it's the opulence of the Garage Mahal or the charm of a vintage car haven, you won't want to miss these stunning showcases of automotive passion and creativity. 1. The ultimate car collector's garage, Jay Leno's garage. Jay Leno, the famed television host, is not only known for his humor but also for his extraordinary car collection. Nestled in Burbank, California, his garage is a marvel in itself, valued at an astonishing $15 million. Housing over 300 vehicles, it includes rare gems like the 1937 Talbot Lago T150 CSS Teardrop Coupe and a 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. But it's more than just a storage space, it's a fully equipped workshop where Leno personally tends to his automotive treasures. This haven for car enthusiasts has become a pilgrimage site, reflecting Leno's deep-seated passion for the history of automobiles. As one explores this garage, it feels like stepping into a vibrant museum of automotive excellence. 2. The Garage of the Future. The Car Vault. Dubai, known for its opulence, is home to the Car Vault, a futuristic sanctuary for luxury vehicles. Designed to perfection, this state-of-the-art facility ensures the utmost care with climate control and top-notch security features. With the capacity to store 100 cars, prices range from a staggering $100,000 to over $10 million. Beyond storage, services like detailing and maintenance transform it into a one-stop solution for car collectors. This investment mirrors the rising trend of luxury car ownership in the UAE, where opulence meets functionality in the most elegant manner. 3. The Billionaire's Garage. The Garage Mahal. In the bustling heart of Los Angeles lies the Garage Mahal, a private abode for a billionaire's car collection. Valued at a cool $10 million, it houses a splendid assortment of exotic cars, including Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Bugattis. Luxury extends beyond the cars with custom lighting, polished floors, and a plush lounge area for entertaining guests. Security is paramount, featuring biometric access and surveillance systems to safeguard this valuable collection. The Garage Mahal stands as a testament to the fusion of luxury and technology in modern garage design. 4. The Eco-Friendly Garage. The Green Garage. The Green Garage in Portland, Oregon, is a beacon of sustainability in the world of luxury garages. Designed with energy efficiency at its core, it boasts solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and eco-friendly materials. Housing a collection of electric and hybrid vehicles, it underscores the owner's commitment to reducing their carbon footprint. This garage represents a growing trend of environmentally conscious luxury, where high-end living harmonizes with eco-friendly principles. It's a reminder that even the most luxurious spaces can be kind to our planet. 5. The Vintage Car Haven. The classic car garage. For aficionados of vintage cars, the Classic Car Garage in Scottsdale, Arizona, is a dream come true. With a collection of over 50 meticulously restored classic cars, its value surpasses $5 million. The garage itself is a celebration of automotive history, featuring memorabilia and displays reminiscent of the golden age of automobiles. Each vehicle is restored to its original glory, creating a museum-like atmosphere that transports visitors back in time. It's more than a garage, it's a tribute to the enduring charm of classic cars. 6. The High-Tech Garage. The Smart Garage. In the innovation hub of Silicon Valley, the Smart Garage redefines garage design with cutting-edge technology. Automated systems facilitate parking and retrieval, while smart home integration ensures security and climate control. With over $3 million invested in technology, it stands as one of the world's most advanced garages. This trend reflects the growing demand for convenience and security among car collectors, where technology seamlessly integrates into everyday luxury. The smart garage is a glimpse into the future of garage design, where innovation knows no bounds. 7. The luxury garage. The ultimate man cave. Miami, Florida, hosts the ultimate man cave, a luxurious fusion of a garage and recreational space. Valued at approximately $8 million, it features a full bar, lounge area, and even a mini golf course. The owner has crafted a haven perfect for entertaining friends while showcasing a collection of high-end vehicles. This trend of merging leisure with luxury in garage design is gaining popularity among affluent car collectors. It's not just a garage, it's a lifestyle statement where elegance meets entertainment. 8. The custom garage. The designer garage. In New York City, the designer garage epitomizes personalized luxury. Custom built for a prominent fashion designer, it features unique design elements that mirror the owner's style. Housing a collection of designer cars, including limited edition models, it highlights the trend of personalization in luxury garage builds. It's a space where individuality is celebrated, allowing owners to express their unique tastes and preferences. The designer garage is a testament to the limitless possibilities of custom luxury. 9. The showroom garage. The display garage. Las Vegas, synonymous with glamour, is home to the display garage, a commercial space dedicated to showcasing luxury vehicles for sale. Designed to captivate potential buyers, it features stunning lighting and displays that highlight each vehicle's features. The investment in such a showroom garage can exceed $5 million, underscoring the high stakes of the luxury car market. Presentation is key in the sale of high-end automobiles, and the display garage excels in creating an alluring atmosphere that entices buyers. 10. The collector's paradise. The ultimate garage. In a secluded Texas estate, the ultimate garage stands as a true collector's paradise. Worth over $20 million, it houses an awe-inspiring collection of over 100 cars, including rare and vintage models. Equipped with a full-service workshop, a lounge area, and even a private cinema, it's a sanctuary for car enthusiasts. Every detail reflects the owner's passion for automobiles, making it one of the most impressive garage builds in the world. The ultimate garage is a testament to the art of car collecting, where passion and luxury intertwine seamlessly.